Hello mga ka-auto, this is Engineer RK from Home Automated PH and nandito po tayo sa ating Aurora Project Baguio City and magre-request po tayo ng client feedback from one of our clients who availed two products. So ito po yung ating Smart Gate saka yung ating HAP CCTV. Okay, so thank you again Ma'am Candy po sa pag-avail po ng aming products.
Engineer RK. Thank you din.
Very welcome po ma'am. So, kamusta po ma'am yung naging overall experience nila sa Home Automated PH po?
Very, very happy ako sa kasi isa sa mga considerations, lalo na sa mga bagong clients na makakuha ng maayos na service. Hindi kasi namin kilala lahat ng mga namin unless na talagang nire-recommend. So, I'm really so happy kasi na respond lahat ng mga queries namin, nasagot. And then, yung service is, and then yung quality, and then yung product is very good. So,
Okay.
happy na happy po.
Thank you ma'am sa napaka-appreciative po na feedback.
Oo.
And on a scale from 1 to 5 stars ma'am, mga ilang stars po kayo nila ibigay?
5 being the highest, no?
Yes ma'am.
Pwede ako magbigay ng 7 to 10 pa nga eh.
Oh,
Hindi, really. Hindi ako pero nakakatuwa yung
Okay.
yung service and yung product niya.
Thank you so much ma'am Candy.
Thank you din. Thank
Bakit
you.
po ganong rating ma'am ang ibigay?
Kasi ang pinaka-importante kasi is yung yung nasasagot lahat ng mga queries natin, and then yung na-address lahat ng concerns with yung parang na maayos, hindi yung pag tapos na lahat. May syempre mga ganitong product, meron tayong binabayaran na amount. We would also want to get it the best na product, and which is really happy din kami na we spend it and then it was all worth it. I think it's more important na talaga yung client service, yung nasasagot lahat ng mga queries, and then on time lahat, kung yung sinabi na time, kung sinabi na date, nabibigay agad.
Okay, thank you so much.
I think trust is really important.
Yes, totally agree po. Ayun, thank you Ma'am Candy. And marirecommend po ba nila si Home Automated?
Of course. I recommend the product. I recommend the service of Home Automated. So, you will be assured na makukuha nyo kung ano man ang pinramis nila, and even more. The service is really good.
Thank
Congrats,
you so much,
Engineer,
Ma'am
ha?
Candy.
Congrats and
rin po,
thank you
ma'am,
so much.
dun sa bagong gate.
Thank you so much sa bigay nyo. Ang galing. Natuwa kami. My husband is very happy. Considering medyo mataas yung standard nun.
Ma'am, happy rin po kami ma'am na masaya po yung
Yes. Very happy.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Candy.
Thank
Okay
you
po.
din, Engineer, ha? Salamat
Thank you po.
talaga.